Welcome back everybody to the Sunday School. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna paint correct this panel right here. This truck got painted. Actually, I painted it. I painted it in the garage. And it has orange peel and overspray all over it. So we're gonna even it out and make it look like brand new, like nothing ever happened, by using the ACA light from 3D, ACA 500, compound, ACA 520 finishing polish. And you always wanna take off the edges. The parts that you're not gonna sand like that, you don't sand and you burn anything around the surface. Okay? So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tape off the area with 3D's purple tape. All right, so now I'm gonna use the 3D DA sander. What I'm gonna use right here is 25 grit sandpaper and 3D's interface. You always wanna be careful with the edges and not passing too much, because if you go over and over the edges like on the flat part's clean, but if you do it more and more on the edges, you're gonna start burning very, very fast, especially if they're very sharp. So be very careful. Now we're gonna take off our 2500 grit sandpaper. And now I'm gonna use 3000 grit from RBL. 3000 grit sandpaper, and we're gonna spray detailer on it as a lubricant. It's body shop safe. And then you wipe everything off, dry it off. All right, so now that we're getting ready to compound the area, we're gonna be using the Flex battery powered high speed. We're gonna use easy switch from 3D. And like I mentioned earlier, 100% lamp wool pad from 3D. And ACA 500 extra cut. So now we have a few passes. Now you want to check your area. See if you don't have any more sand marks. Like that, we're able to move on to the next section. All right, so now we're ready to go to step 2. Gonna use our black spider pad, finishing pad, and ACA 520. So this step is very important because this step right here is gonna eliminate all your imperfections that your wool mark left behind. And you're gonna say that I put too much. No, it's because it's a brand new pad and I have to condition it. So what I've always liked to do, I've always liked to finish my job with the DA polisher. The work is already done. There's always all the corrections done, all the polishing, all the cutting, all the polishing is done. Now I'm just making sure that I have 0 holograms. And I'm still using the same pad. I'm gonna add no more chemical in it because it still has chemical inside of it. All right, guys, so I want to thank you guys for joining our Sunday schools. We'll see you next time.